Money, man.
Hey, I'm Treasure. I'm Jamie's daughter. Well, like she sat up here and said, I was going to church and I kind of just backslid a little bit, and then I finally just completely left. Didn't want to hear nothing. Didn't want to hear nobody say nothing to me about Jesus. I was mad and hurt, and I started. It got worse and worse. The more I turned my back away from Him, it got worse and worse. More into drugs and drinking and promiscuous activities, and I didn't hear a word. And finally, it took me almost dying in the hospital for God to bring it to my mind. I could be up out of here anytime. It don't matter what I'm doing.
Right. That's right.
And it don't matter how far down you are. He can reach down and pull you up no matter how dirty you are. And so I finally, I started coming back slowly. I was like, I don't want to, fully jump back in. I don't want to jump back in and be like, oh, well, I'm going to step back out. If I'm coming, I'm coming. If I'm leaving, I'm leaving. So I came back and I was doing, this is my best friend, Sherelle. Hey, Sherelle. I was doing her hair, and then I finally just told my mom, I was like, on Sunday, I'm going to go up to altar call, and I'm going to give my life back to God. I'm going to go to the receiving room. So that Sunday, I went up there, and God really touched me. And I don't like to cry in front of people. I'm a very guarded person, and I was crying, ugly crying, in front of everybody in the church. And it took me, God, He don't care what you look like. He looks at your heart. He loves you no matter what you are going through. So, I came back and I finally got delivered, and going with them today to the people in the Hopeville thing. The girl that I went to see, her name is Jack. She's 19 years old and is living there with her boyfriend. And, you don't really look at stuff like that. I'm 19. I'm still growing up. I'm not grown yet. I want to be, but I'm not grown yet. And to see someone going through that when, I complain about the smallest petty things. And I had to stop. Like you said, God checks you and lets you know they don't have somewhere to live. And you complaining because somebody in your space. Come on now. It's a checks. I like that, bro. I like that. And I just want to thank God for a mom who never stopped praying, and for people like y'all in and for things like this, especially for the youth, just be praying that they step into what God has called them to do. They stepping back, they scared, they not understanding that they can do great and mighty works right now. They don't have to wait till they get older.
Y'all gotta take over, baby.
Because like she said, I can see, how people prophesied to me, you're going to lead armies to God. I can't see that. Me down in my dirt doing what I'm doing. I can't see that I'm going to touch people as far as I can see to bring them to God. Yes. When I'm low down doing what I'm doing. But God going to lift you up no matter what you're doing, what you've been through, how low you think of yourself. God loves you no matter what. Right. And I just want y'all to stay encouraged. And God bless.
You 19. You still old enough for courageous? Oh, you graduate? Oh, you got me.